Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Module 5. In this session, we are covering two critical aspects of development. First, we'll explore the cloud part of Find My File, the secure backend services that handle users, account, and payments. Then we will dive into one of the most important but often overlooked topics, the real world debugging journey. Let's look at the agenda. The agenda for today's session: in the backend services section, we will cover our serverless toolkit. Second, we'll cover Firebase, Firestore, and Cloud Functions. Then we'll cover the securely handling of API keys. And in the debugging section, we will cover the problem of dependency hell. Then we will cover becoming a detective and solving those problems. And then we will cover the environmental problems and what we did to overcome it. And then, as always, we will summarize this session and discuss the content for next session.